Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set. Scam or legit? I'm going to tell you whether the Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set is a reliable solution or just another scam. This product claims to provide a quick and easy way to reline dentures at home, but there are some red flags. First, many users report that the material is low quality, doesn't set properly, and doesn't last as advertised. Second, there's a little to no information about the company behind it, which raises concerns about credibility. Lastly, complaints about poor customer service and refund issues suggest that buyers may not get the support they expect. Conclusion: the Bikenda Silicone Reline Denture Set may not work as promised and could be a waste of money.